Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a compact mini truck that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x6 plate. We're going to flip this over. I'm going to take two 2x2 plates with double bearing. Let's place these to where they're hanging over by one stud on both left and right hand sides. Let's flip this back over. We're going to take a 1x2x2 corner plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 plate with slide on one end. I'm going to place this assembly right here in this reveal. We're going to take another 1x2x2 corner plate. I'm going to place another 1x2 plate with slide on this side. Place this right here. This is going to be our front bumper. And right here, a 2x2 modified plate with ball receiver. Now we're going to take a 2x4 by 2/3 modified plate with double mudguard. Place this right here, right above our bearings, and a 1x4 modified plate with two studs. Set that there. Now, a pair of 2x3 plates right under this area. Then another 2x4 by 2/3 double mudguard. Set that right there. Now I want to flip the chassis back over. I'm going to set a pair of 1x4 plates. These two sections, this is going to fill in the bottom portion of our body. Flip that right side up. Then, right here, we're going to set a pair of 1x2x2 corner plates. And yes, it's going to strengthen up that joint. Place these right here. This is going to be the place where our minifigure is going to sit inside the cab. Then, in these two areas, a pair of 1x2 plates and a 2x4 flat tile right here. This is going to be the bed. And for our rear bumper, we're going to take a set of 1x4 plates, stack these on top of one another. And I'm going to take a 1x1 by 1x1 upwards angular plate and a round transparent red flat tile, place it on the face. I want to make two of these and place these on both ends on the bottom. Set this right above our ball receiver. Now we're going to work back on the front. Let's take a set of 1x1 angular headlight bricks. We're going to place a 1x2 radiator grill right on the face. I'm going to place this right above our bumper. And for headlights, we're going to take another 1x1 angular headlight brick. Set the round 1x1 transparent clear flat tile right there. That's going to be our headlight. I want to make two of these. Place these as shown. And a set of 1x2 plate with friction stub. Place these right on top. These are going to be our little side mirrors. Plus it'll lock all that together. Now we're going to place some doors right here with a set of 1x3 by 1 doors. And I almost forgot the 1x2 steering wheel console. Set that right in there. Now we can lock this all together with a 2x4 by 2 windscreen. Make sure that's all locked in. I'm going to slide this off to the side. We're going to start with a 1x4 plate. Place a 1x4 brick right on top, followed by a 1x4 plate and a 1x4 modified plate with two studs. And to finish up with a set of 1x1 corner wall elements. This is going to be the back portion of our cab. We're going to have a little window in the back. Also, I left that open for extra clearance for the minifigure head to fit inside. We'll set that right there. For sides of our bed, a set of 1x4 by 1 wall elements. Gives us a bit more space. And for the rear, pair of 1x1 by 1 corner wall elements. Set these right there, and a 1x2 by 1 wall element to finish up the bed. And for the top of the cab, a 4x4 by 2/3 hood plate. Now we're going to flip our vehicle over. We're going to take a small rim and a small tire. We're going to place the rim inside the tire. We're going to make 4 of these. I want to populate the bearing plates. Snap those right on there. We're going to need 4 wheels for the mini truck.